We're going to start with the biggest cucumber. And now sometimes you'll be surprised that you'll have a great big cucumber like this and it won't have a lot of seeds. You never know. So that's why I've got so many of them here, just to make sure that I get a good yield. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Back Garden Yard channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to save cucumber seeds. As you can see, these cucumber plants have just about played out. They're still making an occasional very nice tasting edible cucumber, but I'm going to end up taking them down today, and I've got more plants in the back that are going to be coming up to make a late crop. But what I want to show you today is what I did was I have left 4 cucumbers to ripen, and they're very ripe. Here, there's 1, here's 2, here's 3, and over here is a great big one, number 4. And so I'm going to take these 4 cucumbers off and I'm going to pick them, and then we're going to open them up and I'm going to show you how to save the seeds. Now I first want to show you these that I saved in 2022, and these are the seeds I've been using now for the last 4 years. And you can see that they've still got some nice viable seeds in this bag, but and there's some that fell down, but like I say, I don't want to depend on these anymore, so I'm going to save seeds this year, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So first of all, I just want to show you the ones in the back that I've got to replace these plants with. So here is the back garden, and here are my new cucumber plants that I have set out to replace the ones that I'm taking up today. And as you can see, they're looking pretty good. They're being chewed up by some insects, so it's time to spray them, or either sprinkle a little 7 powder on them. So I'll spray them with neem oil probably. And of course they're over here next to the butternut squash row, which is looking really nice this year, and got a lot of butternuts. But anyway, I just wanted to show you the ones that are coming up for a late crop to replace the cucumbers. So now I'm going to grab these 4 that I have let ripe, and you want to just let them get, I mean, just almost rotten to ripe. So if you do that, the seeds are going to be more viable. And what I'm intending on doing is letting the sweet potatoes that I planted here run on over and climb this trellis for the rest of the season until I get ready to dig the sweet potatoes here. And then here comes number 4, this great big one. Wow, he is huge. Okay, so there is my supply of seeds, probably for the next 3 or 4 seasons, and I'm going to show you how to get the seeds out of these. Is these 4 cucumbers here that I have harvested, we're going to take those and we're going to open them up, get the seeds out. We're going to put them on paper towels, and we're going to put them we're going to dry them for several days, and then we're going to store them in a little bag like this, and of course we're going to label it what the year is and cucumbers. And so that way you can get free seeds for many years just from a few cucumbers that I allowed to go ahead and get ripe. I'll save these just in case I want to try to plant some of these next spring anyway. And there we go. So we're going to start with the biggest cucumber. And now sometimes you'll be surprised that you'll have a great big cucumber like this and it won't have a lot of seeds. You never know. So that's why I've got so many of them here, just to make sure that I get a good yield. So I'm going to take this knife and we're just going to cut right down the middle. Open her up. And there you go. I can see a lot of seeds here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our fingers and just go right down the middle, pushing until we push some up. And here they come. And I'm looking at these and they actually don't look mature. They don't look viable. Let's see if these on this side might be. And what I'm saying is, as you saw those viable mature seeds that I just showed you, these here, very, very small, and they don't look like they're fully formed. And I don't think they're going to be worth trying to save. There might be a few right here in the end. Even these, well, these have got some substance. Now, if they're flat, if they're not filled out, if they're not convex, if they're concave and they're going in, then they're just not good seeds. So, unfortunately, this is probably not viable seeds. I'm gonna throw a few over here on it though, just to see. So what I'm gonna do is right over here, I'm gonna spread them out like this. You don't wanna wash them. They've got a protective coating on them, and that protective coating is something you don't wanna wash off. It'll get very sticky and it'll stick to here, and then you scrape them off as you saw me scrape a while ago. So I'm very disappointed in this particular cucumber. And of course there's some more seeds. Now some of these look okay. Some of the biggest ones that came out of that very end look okay. These do not look okay. So I'm actually going to take these out. But these big ones here do look okay. So I may get a few from that. All right, well, let's try the next one. And that's why you want to try to save more than one, because you just never know. Great big old cucumber like that should have had more seeds. Open them up. Oh yeah, this one looks much, much better. I want you to look at these seeds. Look how nice these look. Yeah, okay. So what we're gonna do is get over here and scrape them out also. And we're not gonna try to separate them. This is just gonna be the 2026 batch of seeds. Yeah, these all look very viable, so I'm really thinking these are going to be nice. Okay folks, so these have been now drying indoors for 4 days. And you can see these were those first ones that were not mature. And you can see how bad they look. They have shrunk, they are concave, and the insides is no good. And you can tell these are no good. There were just a few that are probably good in that big cucumber, so we'll leave them here. And then these were the other ones you saw me get. Now some of these are no good. You can see that they've shrunk. The middle has shrunk in. The middle is shrunk in. They're no good. But there's a lot of very nice ones like right here. And you can also see more nice ones all the way through these. So these will be really good to save now. They're nice and dry. And you can see that they're going to be very good for a long time. Now what I like to do to save them, I like to put them in a sandwich bag, not one of those heavy bags, but just a sandwich bag. So what I'll do is I'll just literally fold this over, and then I'll fold the other one over, of course, and I'll just roll them up and put them in that sandwich bag. And then next year, when I'm ready to plant, I'll just take them out, unroll them, peel off the ones I want, and that'll be all we have to do to save these seeds. And this guy here came to see what's going on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the bag. And of course I'll label them 2026 seeds for cucumbers. And let's see if we get Lotto's approval. And there we have it. The 2026 cucumber seeds will be put away in a cool, dry basement to save for next year. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something about saving seeds. You can also save your squash seeds, your pumpkin seeds, any of these kind of seeds that come from a melon type fruit, even watermelon seeds, the same exact way. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.